VLOOKUP function is a very impressive function in Microsoft Excel. The function allows you to look for another data in accordance with the cell value. The main advantage of VLOOKUP function is to save huge amount of time as the process flows automatically. In this tutorial you learn how to use VLOOKUP function in an easy way. This example is a student grade calculator. The column of total mark is a combination of different activities on 100%. Sometimes it requires to convert the final result from number form to written form. First we need to understand how VLOOKUP function work. The first part of VLOOKUP function is a lookup value which refers to a cell value. Select a cell, and type =VLOOKUP, then open a bracket, and select a cell in the column of total mark, then type comma. A second part of VLOOKUP function is a table array. Table array is a wind column table, in which the VLOOKUP function looking for a value from first or second column of the table. In this example a table array consists of the two column. First column is a grade written in number format, and second column is a grade in written format from 0 to 100. A second part of the VLOOKUP equation, we need to select a both column of a table as a range in which the value is looking for. Once the range selected, put a $sign within the cell code, right before the letter and the number of the code, in order to fix the range during drag and drop the cell to other rows which receive the same VLOOKUP code. The third part of VLOOKUP function is a column index number. For this example we want to look up for a written format of a table which is the second column. Type 2 in the third part of VLOOKUP function refers to the second column of a table. The last part of VLOOKUP function is range lookup, which is indicate the approximate match or exact match of return lookup value. Exact match looks like the function looking for the exact information of a table. For exact match, just type false in the last part of VLOOKUP function, and type true for setting the approximate match. Then close the bracket and press enter. Then drag and drop the first cell to the entire rows, and test the final outcome of this tutorial. Excel automatically convert number format to written format. When the exact match used in VLOOKUP function, the function getting an error when the value is not exactly match with the table. For the case if a value is not found in the table, approximate match can be used instead of exact match. The VLOOKUP function can be modified. Instead of false, use true for approximate match. When the cell is empty with no value, the VLOOKUP function consider the cell is equal to 0. In order to make VLOOKUP function return empty result for empty cell, the if equation can be used which mixed with VLOOKUP equation. Use if equation mixed with VLOOKUP function. This combination return the empty result for empty cells.